On the first day of our trip to Jeju Island, we set off for Udo Island. Now come to the passenger ferry terminal and buy a ticket to Udo. I heard I had to bring a passport, but the staff didn't see it. If you want to board a car, you must meet these conditions. When buying a ticket, you only need to fill in the boarding application form and pay for it. Single round trip 10,000 won. This is the ferry schedule to end from Udo Island. Don't miss the last boat. Boarding. The weather is nice today, but it's a little windy. If the wind is too strong, you can hide in the cabin and take off your shoes. Let's go to the deck. It takes about 15 minutes by boat to get to Udo. Get off the boat. We're going to Udo. This is our rental car. It can be used until 6 p.m. and costs 40,000 won. No driver's license required. It is highly recommended to rent a car with a closed compartment. There are 4 benefits. First, sunscreen. Second, windproof. The wind can really make you feel irritable. Third, save physical strength. Fourth, enrich the experience around the island. At this location, we saw the beautiful Jelly Sea. So beautiful. Next, we come to another beautiful scenery, Jeju Bathing Resort. The weather is really nice. There's a beautiful mountain here. You can experience the airship here. It looks so exciting. Here we go. There are many Chinese tourists along the way. You need to reserve at least 3 to 4 hours to visit Udo. With beautiful views along the way, you can stop, sit, take a look, and take pictures. This is suitable for those who want to escape the city and experience the slow life. We will continue to share other attractions of Jeju Island in the next issue. See you next time!